I am vengeance. Hello my friends, and welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. My name's Chris. I'm the Batman statue collector, and I am getting ready to head to work today, but I had to show you some awesome new photos from INART. Now INART is basically a sub company basically of Queen Studios, and they are producing 1/6 scale figures. And so far we have only seen a couple. I believe we've seen Gandalf, we've seen the Heath Ledger Joker, and they have all looked really good. Of course, we have not seen any of them in hand yet, so that is going to be the big test. But a lot of people were anticipating the release of the Batman. We have the official photos today, so I can't wait to share them with you guys. Now, we have not only Batman in costume, but we also have the Bruce Wayne figure as well, which was a surprise. I did not know that was coming, so that is very exciting as well. Now, are these going to be sold together? Are they going to be sold as a set? Hopefully, as we do this video today, we can figure out how it's going to be sold. And so without further ado, let's check out, again, the Batman 6 scale figures from INART. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's check out, again, INART's 1/6 scale, the Batman figure. This looks really exciting. I'm very excited for collectors because obviously this is a company on the rise, but they are also untested. We haven't seen any of these things in person yet. So are they going to be as good or as competitive with Hot Toys? And that's going to be the really big question. Does it look amazing? I think it does. I think it absolutely looks great here. Obviously you have the black and the gray. I think it looks very screen accurate, at least from what I've seen already this morning. Obviously the cape, this is going to be a posable figure, and I do think it looks very much like Robert Pattinson. But again, you have a lot of competition with Hot Toys, and Hot Toys, of course, is well established. So INART, having the the cojones basically to go up against a major company like that, I tip my hat to them because this is very exciting. Obviously they're going to try to offer something different maybe than other companies too. Obviously you're going to have an unmasked portrait here, which looks good. I don't know if it's perfect. One thing I have to kind of critique INART with is some of their photos are really far away. They don't have a lot of close-ups, so that makes me a little bit nervous as to what it's actually going to look like. If it's as good. Obviously the figure itself looks good, but I would like to see in the future. I'd like to see more photography, better lit, a little bit closer up so we can see the detail. I think Hot Toys really does a good job with that. But again, it's exciting to see a new company come on board, and what are they going to do? What are they going to come up with? So that's exciting in itself. But I do think that this looks good overall, again, from a distance. Obviously, very dimly lit photos. I don't like that either. I like whenever it's brightly lit so we can see exactly what we're getting. As a collector, I think that's very important, but that's just me. Obviously, there's going to be some accessories. You have the flashlight. You also have the Bat computer, which is cool. So great detail on those, I think. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of different hand swap outs here, as you can see. I think this photo is kind of funny. It looks like they're just all kind of on the ground. But anyway, I think that looks cool in the fact that you can do so many different poses, which is nice. Obviously, you also have the Bruce Wayne figure, which is going to be also sold. He has a cashmere coat, which is exciting. I think that looks cool. Obviously, you can see the white base, which is neat there as well. So this is exciting because you don't see this very often. You don't see a Bruce Wayne just by himself. So I can see this being very popular, and I believe that he will be sold separately, as far as I can tell. I think there's going to be a set, and there's also going to be a sold separately. Speaking of sold separately, we're also going to be getting a bat signal. This bat signal does light up, so that is exciting in itself. So I think this looks really good. I think this would be fun just to buy by itself, even if you don't buy the figure. Again, there's going to be multiple versions of this. There's going to be a deluxe version, a regular version. The deluxe, basically the standard, still seems like it comes with all three figures. The premium has all three figures too. I'm not exactly sure what the differences are. It looks like maybe the Bat computer's added. Obviously you have the playing cards, so there's a lot that you get with these different versions, and again I will let you read the specs on each one of these. But obviously there's going to be different purchase options, which is great. I don't have a price point as the recording of this, so hopefully as soon as I find that out, I will make sure I put it down in the show notes down below. But I do think it looks really good from everything I'm seeing. But again, the biggest miss for me is that we just haven't seen these produced yet. This is a comparison. Hot Toys up top. This is INART down below. I think they both look really good. I think I actually prefer the INART's portrait, at least initially. Hot Toys again versus the INART. They look pretty good, both of them. I can't really pick a winner here. Again, I'm curious as to what you guys think. Obviously, Hot Toys did a bat signal, and INART's doing a bat signal. So you definitely have options, which is, again, a great thing. But I feel, again, the biggest miss here is just that we just don't know what they're going to look like in hand. Now, once we start getting them in hand and they're awesome, then that's, it's a game changer. But if they're not, Hot Toys might be the clear-cut winner. We'll see. Time will tell. But I think this one really does look really, really good. So, what do you guys think? Is this a hit for you? Is it a miss for you? Do you think it'll turn out really well? I think the likenesses, the portraits and everything, I think the tailoring looks really good. But again, these are just promo images. We haven't actually seen them in hand. So that is going to be the big, big test. Now, I have owned some Queen Studios products, and I can tell you in hand, they're really amazing. And so I am very confident that Queen Studios is going to do a good job with these, or INART. But again, time will tell. We will have to wait and see to see if they are as good on photos as they are in hand. So anyway, I do want to turn it over to you guys though. What do you guys think about this one? Is it one that you're considering picking up? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, just thank you guys for checking out this little preview video today. Again, it's just fun to look at all the new stuff coming out. It's always very exciting. So anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, click the notification bell, make sure you choose all. And if you want to take it one step further, consider hitting the join button down below for early access to our videos, bat boxes, perks, producer credit, and everything else in between. So anyway, thank you guys so very much. Hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you soon in the Batcave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these two awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.